In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your storage space on your MacBook Air. So to go and check your storage space, just click on your Apple logo in the top left-hand side of your Mac, and then go and select About this Mac. You can then click on the More Information button. And right at the bottom of this page, you'll see storage, and this will give us a quick overview of how much storage we have left on our device. So you can see here that I have over 100 gigabytes of storage remaining out of 200 gigabytes. You can also get a more detailed breakdown of your storage by clicking on Storage Settings, and this is going to show us exactly where the storage is being used on your device. So you can see on my particular computer, most of my storage is being used on my applications, and this can be really useful if you want to go and optimize your storage space and delete certain items on your computer. You may also see these recommendations, and these are ways that you can go and save storage on your device. So for example, you can go and turn on empty the recycle bin automatically, and that's just one recommendation that I have here to go and save storage space on my Mac. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.